Now 5:30 to 5:40. The next one is goal setting. Now once you made your story, your mind already clear about what you want. Now your mind has started thinking what exactly you want in life. Then make yourself, maybe for the day, maybe for the month, maybe for the week, or you can start. Now suppose you know that you are studying, your student, and your exam is on March, April. You know you have 6 months time. Now your goal setting should be 6 months. How much score you want to get in the 6 month time in March on exam, and how much you have scored last how much you have scored, and in May how much you want to score. Now when you set the goal, what is in that, you need to go ahead with your syllabus. Have you completed your syllabus? Now you plan routine wise. Okay, time so and so so and so, my school time is this time is my leisure time, this time I'm taking rest time, this is my study time, and this study time my goal is to complete physics so much, chemistry so much, mathematics so much. So when you are planning, and you need to be strict on that goal, what you are setting the goal, that is what we are planning the goal. Now 6 month is exam time. You have 6 month time, and you know where subject you are lagging, and which subject syllabus are already completed, which subject you have started revising, and which subject you are weak. Now when you understand that, you know already you are tested yourself, you know yourself better. That's why it is working. Thank you universe is working only yourself, not for others. So when you know that where you are lagging, which subject you are lagging, and what all things you need to do, then plan yourself. My sleeping time is this, my this time is this, my this time is this. Now, suppose you have study time 4 hours. 4 hours you need to plan this time to this time. We stick to the timing what you have made. So much time to this time. I am going to read mathematics, physics, chemistry, English, whatever the subject you have. Now you know that where you are lacking, you need to give little more time. Now you find 4 hours your was the leisure time, means study time. Now you find that time you need more time, 1 hour, right? Then you need to find where you are killing your time unnecessary, which is not making useful for you. Take out that time, take that slot of that time, and add into your study time. So this much time I am going to this 1 hour, I will not be spending time for this, or I'll not be sleeping, or I'll take the time out from my sleeping time or my leisure time. Take out that time, fix that for the practice, for the revision, for anything. 6 month goal already you have made. Now, when you are making 6 month goal, subject wise, where you have planned to finish. Now when you have started doing that monthly goal you got, then find out weekly goal where to complete, and keep 1 day out of that. All revision. Have you the goal you have set? Have you, are you going in the right direction, or are you going completing? If not completing, then again revisit your goal setting, what to do. Now come to that daily basis. Daily basis, you need to set your time. If you are completing, when you are coming to the daily basis, you will find monthly, 6 monthly, monthly, weekly, and daily. When you plan this routine, and daily you need to, I'll come tomorrow. Daily you need to see, okay, have you gone through the topic or the syllabus or the anything you have set yourself goal is completed or not. Anyway, that I'm completing. That is what is before sleeping. You are reviewing your goal. Now, when you already set the goal before sleeping, that is the time you need to review your goal. Whatever the goal you have made for today, have you completed? Strike it out, which you are not completed. Make this goal which you are not completed tomorrow. Add into your goal setting. Tomorrow routine, you add the previous which you are not completed. Add into that and complete this. This is what is a review of your goal setting. This is must. This too is must. to reach where you have planned. I told discipline is must, right? When you be stick to the time, what you have made yourself, then your subconscious gets set into your routine. If you are disturbing yourself, then subconscious is not falling into the routine. Subconscious don't understand मैं क्या करूँ क्या ना करूँ. 5 बजे तक खाने के लिए बैठ गया, 6 बजे तक पढ़ने के लिए बैठ गया. टुमारो आपने 5 बजे पढ़ने के लिए बैठ गया, 6 बजे खाने के लिए बैठ गया. सबकॉन्शियस समझ में नहीं आया क्या करूँ ये टाइम में. When the time comes, subconscious ना समझ पाता है, ना neither it is producing goal result for you. That is the problem in our mind, and that is the problem in our surrounding. So two things is necessary. 21 days to 28 days, that is necessary to be in discipline. And whatever the time you have fixed, time and goal you have fixed, that you will have to complete very strictly. ये complete होना ही होना है और बीच में डिस्टर्ब नहीं होना है. आपका ये टाइम है, क्लोज द डोर, डू इट, whatever you do, but whatever you say you set for yourself, you will have to complete without disturbing. Remember, while going through your goal setting and working on the goal, first thing you need to remember, need to take out the elements which are going to disturb you. You know that 2 घंटा मुझे पढ़ाई करना है and मुझे ये चीज डिस्टर्ब कर सकता है. If your phone is switching disturbing, switch off the phone. If your parents are disturbing, close the door. If guests are disturbing, close the door. If your parents are disturbing, tell them this time is my study time, not to disturb me. So before sitting for anything, you need to very strict. Once you are stick to your time, once you stick to your goal setting, nothing in the world, I say again, nothing in the universe, nothing in the world who can stop to get your goal. That is a promise. Thank you.